Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I am going to be leaving for Miami in a week, and I wanted to sort of document this trip for a couple of reasons. First of all, I just want to start doing a lot more travel content on my channel, and second reason is going to be a mystery for now because I still haven't decided if I'm going to share it with you guys, but I am going to be embarking on a project, and that is the reason why I'm going. However, it's not always a bad thing to mix business with pleasure as long as you do it responsibly. So yes, that's what we're doing on this trip, and we're leaving a 1 week from today, and I wanted to take you guys through my sort of pre-packing slash packing process. Not sure if I'll be able to film my packing process because usually I'm really like, even though I take my time to pack, I end up feeling like I'm doing everything last minute. So today's my pre-packing. Pre-packing for me is basically just organizing everything I need. I really hope you guys cannot hear that in the background. I don't know what my daughter is watching downstairs, but I can hear it, so hopefully you cannot. But anyways, I always pre-pack, which is like a week or so before I actually pack. And what I do in my pre-packing session is I basically just pull out all the clothes, accessories, toiletries. I don't necessarily pack, but I just gather everything that I'm going to be taking with me and assess if I'm missing anything. That way I can run to the store and grab anything that I need and have time to do that, rather than if I'm just packing a day or two before my trip, it really doesn't leave a lot of time for that. So that's what we're going to be doing today, a little pre-packing. So I'm going to be pulling some of my nice warm summer clothes because it's literally snowing today. Yes, it's snowing, so even more reason why I cannot wait to get out of here and get to some hot tropical weather. So let's get into the pre-packing journey. So here is mostly all my summer clothes. I recently packed them inside of this container here that I keep in a drawer under my bed. I have a TikTok, which I guess I'll link, where I organize this in a couple of my drawers that you can check out. So I've got my little helper here. Now let's tackle these drawers. So I'm going to be organizing 2 drawers today and putting away some summer clothes. So this top drawer, I'm going to be organizing my sweats. I put everything in there nice and neat. And then we're going to move on to the second drawer, which is supposed to have my tops, but it's just become a mix match of everything. So I'm starting by categorizing my different tops, empty that out. Look at all this stuff that we need to put away. I'm going to be putting my summer clothes away in this bin here, starting with my shorts. So I folded everything and organized it in there. Moving on to my summer dresses, so I'm going to be putting those away in the bin as well. I don't know about you, but I always feel like I never have anything to wear until I do something like this, where I pull everything out and go through everything one by one. Then you really see the amount of clothes that you have. So I just kept finding more and more things that I would categorize as summer clothes, and just kept stuffing this bin and hoping and praying that everything is going to fit in there. So this is the last of it. These are what I consider my summer tops. So I, again, just kept pushing that into the container, and then I was able to close it. Now the question is, will it fit underneath my bed in this drawer? So let's see. Okay, maybe not. Push it in a little bit more. Okay, we're good, even with some space left over. Okay, now let's organize this last drawer. Again, I'm taking all of my tops,
folding them and just arranging them in here. I do want to get some dividers. I think that'll help them stay a little more organized. So I'll have to look on Amazon and see what I can find. But yeah, that was it. This is how it all turned out. So my sweats in the top drawer, my tops in the middle drawer, and previously had organized my gym clothes. So boom. So we're going to be rating this today to find some outfits for Miami. All right, so we're starting off with that drawer that you just saw me organize. And I'm going to be looking for some really basic, cute tops that I could bring. This top here I got from H&M a couple of years ago. I love it so much. I actually have it in every color that it came in. And I'm just going to look for a couple of more tops that I can bring with me. All right, now I'm in my workout gear drawer and I'm just gonna pull a couple of biker shorts. This one is a little bit longer, goes down closer to my knee, where this one is a little bit shorter. Okay, so in this bin, I don't know if you can see, actually. All right, so this bin right here has all my like swimwear, cover-ups, and it's really just overstuffed because this things that I probably need to get rid of. But I'm gonna pick a few bathing suits and cover-ups, not too many. I don't know if we're gonna have a lot of time to go to the beach, but probably like 2 or 3 bathing suits and a couple of cover-ups as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, after picking a few bikini sets, I'm going to get into the clothes. So going through my summer clothes container here, I'm pulling some shorts. This one I got a really good deal at H&M. Also picked this up from Marshall's for really cheap and it's super cute. Also was thinking about bringing this dress, which I love. I still haven't worn it yet. I picked this up from Windsor, I believe, but I didn't end up taking it. All right, so now we've made it to the actual day of the trip. So I'm going to show you guys how I packed all my stuff into this backpack. If you saw my pack with me Spirit Airlines video I posted a while back, I did the same thing. I packed this bag for my trip to Puerto Rico, and I'm packing this same bag for my trip to Miami. We are flying Spirit, and so backpack it is. So I just finished packing 3 pairs of sandals. I'm also packing 2 purses, one like off-white color and one black. And I always like to carry a tote with me as well as a beach bag, so I'm putting those in there as well. So my toiletry bag is next. I've already pretty much put everything that I'm going to need in here. I did forget one thing, so let me go get that. My floss. So once I put that in, I can pack that in there. So I really love this little tote. I got it from Amazon. If ever you wonder about anything that I'm using to pack, everything will be linked in my Amazon store, so you can check the link down below. But yeah, I really love that tote. I've had it for so many years. It's gone on so many trips with me and it works really great. So here is the makeup that I'm bringing. Very minimal makeup. I probably won't be doing much makeup, but I just like to bring a little bit of it just in case. And of course, I definitely need my brush for these curls. So I'll be taking a brush, a scrunchie, also a clip. And I'm just adding that to my toiletry bag and repacking it. And then just putting everything else back in. All right, so now we're gonna pack the clothes. During my pre-packing, I actually packed my clothes into these packing cubes. Now, these things are amazing. If you're not packing your stuff with packing cubes, I don't know what you're doing. Another thing that's linked in my Amazon storefront, so you can pick these up. They're super cheap and they hold a lot of clothes. I don't think I would have been able to bring as much clothes as I did without these cubes. So highly recommend them if you don't use them. Again, I've been using them for years and they always come in handy. I decided last minute to take one more dress with me and I'm glad I did because I ended up wearing it. So I'm just going to be packing that into this packing cube. Now, I do like the rolling method when packing my clothes, but sometimes depending on the fabric, I like to pack them like flat. I feel like it packs more, if you know what I mean, but I think it just depends on the material and how you're packing. For the cubes, I definitely like to lay my stuff flat.
Used to be afraid of water, but I'm safe now. When you're next to me, I'm always on the safe side. Somewhere deep down, I know you and me will survive. Though we're stuck in the deep end, I follow you down to the ocean. I'm making you drown in emotion. We should
All
go.
right, so now that all my clothes are in my packing cubes, we're going to pack them into the backpack. So this packing cube actually has like my outfits, and then the other cube has my bathing suits, cover-ups, sleepwear, underwear, socks, all that stuff in there. And I'm just going to put everything into my backpack.
Go underwater, take a look way deeper.
I also always take one of these little blankets with me. I don't pack it in the cube. I actually just pack it separately because sometimes it gets cold on the airplane. So I like to use it as like my little cover up. So now I'm just checking how heavy it is. Not too bad. So yeah, we are good to go.
Way below the surface, I can finally breathe out. We should go under.
So I didn't vlog the trip, but I did get some clips of my outfits and some of the things we were doing while we were there. So I hope you enjoy these little pictures and clips from my phone. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that fun stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
The water, where the light can't reach us. No one there to judge us. We can finally breathe out. trying to fall through. I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you.